Laro tayo ng MMD. Murder Mystery in, Yee! Murder Mystery V, save me. Yep. Nope, I did not get the gun. But I will get it soon. Hitbox. Wait lang, may tatayo ako. Hitbox. Nag-change pala ako ng avatar. Yung bomb jump, napanood niyo ba yun? Ayun na. Yung ganun. Nakita niyo? Ko alam eh. Need you now. See tomorrow with the night go crazy. All you gonna do is say, ito lang yung may mayad. You go down just because it's Mary Una Cross. La Murder Mystery in Long, tawag namin dito, MMB. Excuse me. Di ko kaya yun. Kasi kaya nyo ba ito? Hindi. Never tried. I've never tried that. Kaya i-explode mo yung i-stay mo. Tayo nyo lang explode na yan. Explode na yan. O, diba nag-explode na sa pagkakas niya? No! Nagkamali ako kasi nag-spawn ko eh. Hindi. Cherry Akzar. Ay, Azar? What the... So, bago lang ulit ako mag-upload dito sa YouTube. Pati di ako naka-live. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-live dito. Pati paano maglaro. Kakainis. Meal-based always. Okay. You understand, meal-based always. Okay, wait lang guys. Okay na guys, inisin tayo tapos nanalo. Nakakainis. Dito ulit ko nagpunta yung sheriff. Dito ako sa kapag. Try ko yung bomb jump ulit. Ay na! Naklik ko pa naman. Pwede kayo mag-create ng ano nyo dito. Anong tawag dun? Character ito. Kung may alam dito ng speed culture. Nakakainis. Pati ito, murder tayo. Ano ba ito guys? Ito. Ay. At iyan. Ito. Ano ba ito? Ludi, sayang. Basta. Glitch yan. Sa wall. Ano kung iba kaya yan. Friends? Yeah, friends. Go. I cannot lose, guys. Guys, wish me luck. Guys, nakakainis yung sheriff. Italia. Wala ko din yung makakita. Uy, sayang. Mix. Jumpa to ah. Diba? How did I miss? Big glitcher. Big glitcher. Nabita tayo. Apat. Nanalo. Kumain naman boses ko sana yung din. Diba yan? Gawin natin siyang ganito. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, yeah. What's up? What's up? Tara, hindi ko talaga siya nakita. 1, 2, 3, jump. Hindi ko kaya. Paano ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Guys, pag nag-glitch kayo dito, nire-regret nyo talaga. Nag-glitch ako dito, guys. So, ito. Mali. Huwag na lang. Nakakainis. Speed glitch na lang tayo just in case. Ayun, nakita ko na agad yung mag... Parang egg burger, egg one, almost. Yeah, ayun na. Next week, ito. Apati. Big glitch din eh. Yip. Nips. No! Saan ba yung gun? Wala naman doon. Kahit kanina, wala. Why did not she kill that guy? Where is that guy? I think he's here. Who is it? Sige, ito. Guys, pagkaroon ulit natin. Yan, ginto ako mag... Be right back. AFK. Back. Nagalan ako dun ah. So... Come here. Oh. We're gonna chase that. Sparta. Dawala. Yay, panalo. Wala ako na nakapasok dito sa bahay. The zombies have taken over. I'm a zombie and I'm not a survivor. What? Huh? Can someone explain this? Diva. Abasta. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, that is... Hee. What the fudge? Not touch the color red. Why? She cannot touch the color red because he's none. Sayang, magagawa na. Sayang. My friend challenge me to ask now. He's gonna give me a heart. That's not a good spot either. No. This is the place from side. That was a joke. Nope, never. So what I'm gonna do real quick? Oh yeah! That's really hard. Oh my god! I want to build a base, small base. I want to build a base. I don't like that place. Oh, she was the mother. Again. Hindi nagawa. Ano ba yan? Guys, naiinis na ako, guys. Guys, ito na lang. Guys, ayoko na. Bye. See you in the next video. I'm gonna get a shout out.